Yo, today, actually it was yesterday. I was repairing the door cards on the bug. I took them all apart, as you saw in the previous video. But I have more repairs to do, so I'm gonna show you what I did last night and then what we're doing today. Next clip you'll probably see is a little bit later because I'm reporting 2 in one day, but we'll see. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little bit, my time, and your time will just be a second. And we'll be door paneling. So I repaired this. Broken.
Oh, people were probably like, who the fuck is this
Broken.
weird ass dude?
Broken.
Broken. Like he was really
I still have to fix this. These obviously. Those. And then I gotta put glue there. And then this. That one needs work too. So. But that's what I did last night. And that. And that. And then let it sit. It sat all night. Okay, so this one is the passenger. Although it's dirty, that'll be next. There's only one major spot to fix, which is this one. That is broken, so we'll get that glued and then let it sit for a while. There's also this crack here. We'll fix that as well. And then we'll clean this nasty shit. And then wait for paint. Okay, so we're done with the car. I needed some of the plastic bits that were broken. This one didn't have any, so we don't have to touch that door. But this side, I already took up the top bolt. We need that piece and that. And that went there. And then we need to grab these pieces, this plastic piece and then the metal piece inside of there. I pulled these out already, but there was no plastic around them. So I don't know how to fix that. Maybe we'll just do Velcro or something. Cause I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, get that loose and then we'll go go upstairs and glue it back on. Okay, so last time we repaired here, 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 and there. We gotta repair this, that, and this guy. And on this panel, we still have to touch that crack. We'll probably put a little bit more glue on that one. And I think that's it. This one's a lot nicer. And then we'll go into cleaning. I think I'm gonna reinforce these a little bit too. Oh, and these. So yeah, I'm gonna get to gluing. See you when I'm done. Alright, so got that glued up and taped to hold in place. Got that all glued up all along the sides. And then I'm gonna go after it once it dries again and just fill in more. Just to like really get it, and probably on the inside too. This one, I'm not sure how I'm gonna fix. I'm probably gonna glue this little metal insert, this little guy in there, to help guide the screw. And I'm probably just gonna try to fill that little edges with epoxy. We'll see. I don't know how we're gonna fix that, but we'll try. These we can't really do anything with. So, while this one's drying, oh, I also got this. All glued up. I actually gotta put a little bit more glue on it. Yeah, I gotta put a little bit more glue right there. But then I'm gonna move to this, get those bottom bits glued, reinforce that, and that crack. Okay, so let the super glue sit for a while. Now, I think I'm gonna clean it before epoxy, just because I'm gonna goop along all the major areas. And I don't really want to get that dirt stuck in it. So yeah, now it's time to clean. I think we'll put up a time lapse for both. Hopefully I don't break what I've already done. If I do, just more glue, right? Just more glue. But yeah, I'm gonna set it up. Alright, so after I clean, it's definitely a lot better. It's still gross, but cleaner, a bit nicer. Now we could at least lay some pretty heavy epoxy once it dries up, and really make sure the stuff doesn't break again. But yeah, I'm gonna move on to that one. Alright, this one was a little bit quicker, not as dirty. Handle cleanup pretty nice. All in all, pretty good. It did have some gross bits, but it's clean enough for now. It's not like anyone will see this anyway, so yeah. Then we will slap some epoxy on the weak points, up on the top, maybe these little caps. We'll see. Alright guys, well, that's that for the door card repair and clean for now. I'm probably gonna do the epoxying. I might record it and put it in the next video as like a little snippet. But I'm happy with how things came out right now. I might glue, if I decide to glue things back together, like all the gray plastic pieces, and then the like the speaker cover, the little handle cover piece, I'll definitely record that. But yeah, until we could get glue for the fabric and then paint for the door cards and like little bits and pieces, I think that's gonna be it for the door panels for right now. Yeah. Next video on that will probably be, I'm not sure when, hopefully soon, we'll see. But we'll get those fixed up, like glued together, painted, all nice and shiny and pretty. And then we'll, we gotta look at, what other pieces we could take off. Because once we get done with those, there's a bunch of other bits and pieces to change. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was interesting. But yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, how I do, how I didn't do, what I do. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Bye-bye.